Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna create a lavender flower with the acrylic painting. Now I'm going to apply barley field onto the tip. If we were working on natural nail, we would have to apply the urban graffiti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Make sure to cap the free edge. And cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. And we're going to cure for 30 seconds. Now we're going to apply the urban graffiti top coat. And cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to use my wet block to remove the surface shine, because we are going to do some hand acrylic painting. So now I'm going to use the acrylic paint. I'm going to work with the violet color and the white color. I'm going to add a little bit of water in my paint. Now I'm going to dip my brush in the white paint and in the violet paint. And I'm going to dab a little bit. Clean your brush, and now I'm going to use tallow green and yellowish green. So dip your brush into the color. And we're going to recreate the stalk of the flower. As you see, we've got like a one stroke color. We're going to let it dry. Now we're going to apply the urban graffiti top coat, cap the free edge. It is very important to cap the free edge, because if you don't cap this free edge, it could peel off. And now we're going to cure for 60 seconds. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!